Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Mia, and today I want to talk about something about potential in physics. Okay, so which is a pretty abstract word when it comes to physics. Okay, so to start with, we learned potential in oral English as well. So in oral English, potential means I think you got the ability to achieve something. For example, if I say you got the potential to achieve a star in your exam, that means I believe you could achieve, right? However, when it comes to physics, it becomes a little bit difficult and challenging for my students to understand this word because it is pretty abstract. So yeah, it's okay that you don't understand that. It's difficult. My point is, you can remember potential in physics using the way in ordinary English. So if we say an object or a planet or a star, whatever, got the potential, especially the gravitational potential, it means it could use the potential to move faster. Okay, so it's another kind of ability. So I use gravitational potential as the example. We've learned gravitational potential energy before, so that is if we lift something up, the gravitational potential energy of the object will increase it, right? The gravitational potential is also a type of energy. Actually, the definition for gravitational potential is like the work done per unit mass when moving a mass from infinite to a certain point. Okay, so basically it's kind of like you store the potential or you store the potential energy like for future, and you don't use that type of energy. And the potential increases when you move the object against the field lines. By the way, I just assume you know a little bit about the gravitational field lines. Okay, so the field lines got directions, and the direction of field lines represent the direction of field. So we could either move the object against the field lines or moves along the field lines. Okay, and guess which way is easier? It's along. Okay, so if you move the object along the field lines, the potential stored in this object turns into kinetic energy. However, if we move all the way around, it's like move the object against the field lines, the potential increases. So it's kind of like the potential energy is stored in the object itself. Okay, so to make this illustration easier, we can use a daily life example. For instance, if you want to get better at your physics, I may recommend you to practice more challenging questions. Right? So it's only when we do something more difficult, more challenging, then we improve, right? So it's same when it comes to the object. So if it does more work against the field, which is move against the field lines, it got more potential. Okay, so same. We and the object. If you want to become better, if you want to become stronger, you do harder things, right? You practice more, and the object move against the field lines, which is the harder way. So that is the explanation for potential, and in today's video I use gravitational potential as the example, but we have more potential in the future. Okay? Yeah, hope you enjoy this video, and that's it. Bye bye.